Hey everyone, I'm doing an unboxing today from FARFETCH.com. It's a sweatshirt that I wasn't able to find on the original brand website, which is BALMAIN. So I started Googling it all over the place trying to find it, and I was able to locate it on FARFETCH from a store in Italy, and I was able to purchase it. I'm going to show you the details how the box came in. Of course, I took out the boring packaging off of the box, and now we're gonna look what's inside the box. So of course, FARFETCH sent all their merchandise in a branded box that says FARFETCH. Of course, the merchandise is not FARFETCH, it's BALMAIN, but the company that made me able to get that BALMAIN sweatshirt is FARFETCH. So we open the box. Of course, here's some details, that is address and whatnot. The store came directly from Italy. FARFETCH sent it from Italy, so the actual store where this sweatshirt was located was in Italy. There is the receipt and all the tags that was attached to the sweatshirt. As you can see, the packaging is quite good. Of course, I took it out. This is not how it came, and I tried it on, and I decided to make an unboxing video for you guys so you can see how it looks like, but this is as close to the packaging as possible, as far as I remember. So I'm going to go ahead and take the sweatshirt out, and I want to show you the tag real quick. This tag came attached to the sweatshirt, and you cannot return any item if you detach it. So I already detached it because I'm not planning on returning the sweatshirt, but if you want to return your item, do not take this one off the item. So here's the sweatshirt. It's heather gray. It's crew neck. This material is very soft. It's like velvety material. The actual cotton is very soft. Of course, the medallion print is very soft, velvety burgundy color that matches the same color of these stripes on the bottom hem. And if you look at the neck, it's a crew neck, and it's very soft and very stretchy, which goes through really easy, and it fits perfectly on the neck. The material inside the sweatshirt is very soft. I don't know if you're able to see, it's kind of like French terry, but it's very soft material. And there you have it. Thank you very much.